Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a topic that I know a lot of you have been curious about. How to get rid of a piercing bump. If you've ever gotten a piercing, you know that sometimes things don't go as smoothly as planned. But don't stress, these bumps are common, and I'm going to guide you through getting rid of them, step by step. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the type of bump. The first step in tackling your piercing bump is to figure out what kind of bump you're dealing with. Typically, you might be dealing with either a keloid, a pustule, or a granuloma. Knowing the type will help you in determining the appropriate treatment. Step 2. Prepare a warm saline solution. Make a warm saline solution by mixing about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a cup of warm distilled water. A study by the Cochrane database of systematic reviews actually showed that saline solution can be effective for wound cleansing. Step 3. Clean the area. Before you touch your piercing, wash your hands thoroughly. Take a cotton ball, dip it in the warm saline solution, and gently clean around the piercing bump. Make sure you don't press too hard, as that can aggravate the bump further. Step 4. Apply tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. A study published in the Journal of Applied Microbiology talked about its efficacy. Use a cotton ball to apply a small amount of diluted tea tree oil to the bump. Be careful, as undiluted tea tree oil can be harsh on the skin. Step 5. Use a chamomile tea compress. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, which was mentioned in a study in Molecular Medicine reports. Make a cup of chamomile tea, let the tea bag cool down a bit, and then press it against the bump. Hold it there for about 10 minutes. Step 6. Over-the-counter corticosteroid cream. If the bump persists, you might want to consider applying an over-the-counter corticosteroid cream. However, consult your healthcare provider before using any such creams. Step 7. When to seek medical help. If the bump doesn't go away after a few weeks, or if it gets worse, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare provider for further evaluation and treatment. Alright, folks, that wraps up our guide on how to get rid of a piercing bump. Remember, patience and proper care are key here. And, of course, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below.